Hello. In this use case, we'll see how to use a few different checklists for different kinds of inventory. Depends on the purpose. It can be check-in inventory, cleaning inventory, insurance, advertising, renovation, security, customer care. At least two inventory lists should exist and prepared. The check-in check-out list should be more detailed. It includes all small even items to provide an accurate description of the condition of rental property. It can be used to assess claims for damages at the end of tenancy. We see this checklist contains 23 items. And the cleaning inventory list contains only the major items, and it shouldn't require too much time to pass it. It should be easy to use for regular weekly cleaning and cleaning with inventory. So, for each property type, room, studio, apartment, we need both checklists for cleaning and for check-in, check-out. We should prepare it previously and we can use it multiple times. The workflow should be scheduled regarding the tenancy agreement for a certain date and time, and the notification should be sent to emails of all participants automatically by this scenario. For the landlord or operational manager and for the tenant. The subject and template email must contain the full address of the unit, assigned date and time, and the link for the inventory list. We should use the relevant variables to handle this data. The inventory list should be generated automatically at the scheduled time, or we can fill it manually by the button click. I click by this button, so we can see the item statuses. We have only 0 now, and when we press it, we have already 8. We update statuses. Okay. So, we have already all 23 items received from the template list. It is also possible to change something here if you know the real situation. For example, this mirrors set, it can contain 2 small scrapes. We have to note it and save. Okay. So we can see these all statuses are not defined and the mirror set is a little bit damaged. Let us look on that email which is sent for the landlord and for the tenant. So we can see the right location in the subject, in the email body. We can see the correct time, and by clicking for the provided list, we have the checklist which is easy to use on any laptop or smartphone. We can pass it item by item. We can see mirrors is marked as damaged. So step by step we should pass it all and send the form. Let's look on this workflow diagram. First item, first start, is email notification for landlord and tenant, then refreshing the inventory list. Then we should pass the inventory list item by item. It depends on your requirements. Some electronic signature could be applied for this document. After signing it, an official document should be generated and emailed to all of them, to landlord and to the tenant. So we have now only 2 checklists for each property. In a similar way, we can prepare other templates for other workflows: insurance, advertising, renovation, security, customer care. If you're interested in such kind of automation, let's discuss it and adjust exactly for your business. Thank you.